Test your reflexes in Dark Ball. Hit the Dark Ball at the right time to save your life. The better your timing, the faster it goes. Score big with the perfect shot in Flick Flop. Aim for your color, time your shot, and pick up bonus points for attaching clusters of blinks. Burn some rubber with Speed Racer. Sharp turns, lightning straightaways. Are you ready for life in the fast lane? Conquer an island with your Viking horde in Raid. Take turns in a strategic head-to-head combat for control of the island. Choose your battles carefully. Only one horde will win. Each blink comes loaded with its own game and can teach all the other blinks how to play. You can play blinks however you want, with as many blinks as you want, with whomever you want, wherever you want. With 18 awesome games and many more on the way, the possibilities are endless. Blinks by Move38.
Is like, and there's another flashlight. Super durable in a titanium shell. Waterproof, fireproof, crashproof, also have 2 switch modes, low and high. You want something not only what fits your everyday lifestyle, but looks awesome. There you go. The Mavic. So go to the Kickstarter. When you get there, slow your scroll, people. Take a breath and check it all out.
There are lots of ways to cook on a sheet pan, but they're often wasteful or messy, and not everything takes the same amount of time to cook. We knew there had to be a better way. Introducing cheat sheets, a completely new approach to sheet pan cooking. Oven-safe non-stick silicone dividers that will streamline your cooking and divide your ingredients to make one-pan meals a breeze. With cheat sheets, you can separate your foods by cooking time, so that you can easily remove ingredients when they're ready and never overcook them again. We've also created an easy timing guide, so you'll get great results every time. They're also perfect for meal prep, letting you cook all of your ingredients with better control and greater efficiency, and buying multiple sets lets you mix up your meal prep and keep it interesting. But it's not all about healthy eating. You can also have fun baking your favourite desserts, and because you can separate flavours, you can easily please even the pickiest of eaters. And the best part, cheat sheets are zero waste and naturally non-stick, so you'll never have to scrub another sheet pan again. Hi, Chris here from Prepped. We are so excited to be back on Kickstarter with our 4th product. We created cheat sheets to reinvent sheet pan cooking and make it easier and more enjoyable to cook in the oven every single day. We've already started tooling, but we need your help to move into production. So please back us and let's make home cooking better together.
So, you would like a cup of coffee, or maybe it's tea. Either way, a cup of hot whatever makes you happy. Happy at work or happy at home. Shame it'll get cold in 15 minutes. Don't worry, we got you. This is Volcanic. Yes, we know it's a mug, but not just any mug, because with this little disc, this mug becomes a magic cauldron of tasty, toasty brew that will keep warm for hours.
What?
Yes, I said hours. See, when you join these friends together, they create a special bond that keeps any hot contents inside at a consistent 122 degrees that guarantees a smile on your face. It'll even charge your phone. Yes, your phone. See, that little disc is also a power source for QI-enabled phones. Keep your coffee, tea, or cocoa piping hot while you close deals all day. It cleans in seconds, and it's powered the same as any USB device. It's simple and steamy. So the next time you want a hot cup of coffee, keep it cozy with Volcanic.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear Nature, welcome home.
The Green Disc is an ecological power tool for your bike chain care. It takes just seconds to prepare your bike for the next trip. The Green Disc is super easy to handle and leak-proof. No oil dripping on the ground, no more dirty hands, no more greasy fingers, and no chain goo on your clothes.
Hello bikers, this is the Green Disc, a revolution in the maintenance of your bicycle chain. So why is it a revolution? Well, With this small disc, your chain will never rust or start to dry out again, and your chain will only get as much oil as it really needs. Gone are the days where half the oil ends up on your hands, on the bike frame, on your clothes, or even goes into the ground. The green disc is a new development of our Lubri disc, which we launched last year here on Kickstarter. We have more than 10,000 happy customers who use the Lubri disc, and we're really proud to announce that we recently won the German Design Award for its innovative functionality. The new green disc offers 25% more oil volume, and it's way more eco-friendly because it uses less raw materials.
If your chain dries out because of rain or dust, with the green disc your bike is ready for use again in a few seconds. Simply hold the green disc between your fingers, press it slightly onto your chain and turn the crank backwards. Everything else happens automatically. When the job's done, your hands look like freshly washed and you can put the green disc's oil-tight can in your pocket, your bag, or backpack.
With one charge, you can lubricate your chain up to 10 times. Refilling the green disc is super easy. You open up the disc and soak the lubricator wheel with oil. Close the disc and it's ready for use again. Once the lubricator wheel is dirty, it's really easy to change. And by using our organic chain lube, you can really help keep the environment clean because everything you see here is biodegradable.
The green disc saves oil up to 90%. That's good for you and good for the environment. The green disc is smart, small, and always with you, whether in your commuter bag or on a bike tour. Green disc. Make the world a little greener.
Hi, I'm Han and I'm a product designer. 5 years ago, I founded Pop-Up Lighting with a dream to bring back the excitement and surprise of pop-up books to our everyday lives through art and light. Many of you helped me fulfill this dream with my first Kickstarter campaign, launching my original design, the Deer Head. We've evolved since then and created an entire family of pop-up lighting creatures. Over the years, we've sold thousands of light fixtures to homes all around the world and watched them quickly become an essential part of a variety of living spaces. This inspired me to take my designs a step further, create something that could be unique, yet quickly personalized. And that's when I started working on Personalight, your own personalized light fixture that projects your loved one's name, creating a magical experience of light and memories. We developed a unique software that makes you a partner in the design process. Choose a design, select your favorite font, play around with it, and once it's ready, we'll bring it to life. We use only the highest quality materials, built-in LEDs, and of course, meticulous manual assembly of the final product. Your personalized pop-up lighting will fit perfectly in any child's room, whether hung on a wall or placed on a nightstand. It's ideal for nurseries, where you can control the light intensity to create the perfect ambience for your baby. Pop-up lighting can add a truly magical effect to your hallway, living room, local business or office. This is the story of pop-up lighting's evolution. We are so excited to produce this new range, and you can be the first to dress your space with these exciting, innovative and imaginative fittings. Thank you so much for supporting us over the years. Now it's your turn to create the magic.
Introducing Sunda 2.0, the first ground-to-air two-person tent reimagined. Sunda 2.0 blends the best qualities of a two-person tent and the adaptability of a camping hammock. A reliable home on the trail for first-time campers and experienced backpackers alike. We redesigned Sunda 2.0 to be easier to set up, lighter, and stronger than ever. Sunda 2.0 transitions from ground to air in less than 60 seconds. The Rainfly is now integrated with the tent body, eliminating excess weight and removing complexity for an improved user experience. The tent pole sleeves have moved to the exterior, improving wind stability while bolstering a simplified transition from ground tent to hammock mode. The waterproof bathtub floor has been redesigned to enhance durability for a reliable hang every time. No second guessing, fewer moving parts for a seamless transition off the ground. Sunda 2.0 is packed with best-in-class features for base camp and backcountry camping. A spacious two-person tent, Sunda offers the most livable space of any tent in its category. 2 tent doors on opposite sides offer easy in and out access for each camper. And this time around, the vestibules are larger, offering more space for additional gear storage and 2 additional tiebacks for amplified airflow. On the interior, keep your gear organized and within reach. 4 built-in side pockets to store maps, journals, or late-night snacks. Thoughtfully placed gear loops provide plenty of options to hang lanterns or additional gear. Our Lumos light-enhancing fabric amplifies the performance of a single light source for a brilliant glow at night. No single campsite is ever the same, but we can be prepared for any terrain, which is why we introduced an innovative tent, a tent that excels both on the ground and in the air. With Sunda 2.0, we streamlined the design to enhance your experience outdoors, to help you cover more ground and adapt to any terrain. For 9 years, we have been designing innovative outdoor gear to elevate time outside, whether in your backyard, in the backcountry, or anywhere in between. We're grateful to the Kickstarter community and our customers who have supported us on this journey. Check out the rewards and back Sunda 2.0 on Kickstarter today.